Hello friends, good evening. My name is Vaishnavi. Today we'll discuss the editorial page of Hindu paper. And today's topic is test by choice. India needs a more announced approach to COVID-19 testing. Means there should be more chances for COVID-19 testings. On September 4th, India crossed 4 million novel coronavirus cases 13 days after crossing 3 million on August 22. On Saturday, the fresh cases reported suppressed China's total record cases so far. So on September 4th, India crossed 4 million novel coronavirus cases. Means it has crossed 4 million novel coronavirus cases 13 days after crossing 3 million. Means in 13 days it has reached to before 30 days on August 22nd it was 3 million, and after 13 days it was 4 millions. On Saturday, the fresh cases reported suspected China's total record cases. Means on Saturday, on Saturday they have announced this. On Saturday, the fresh cases reported on Saturday the fresh cases were reported suppressed China's total record cases. Means it has suppressed the China's total record cases so far. On Saturday, India suppressed Brazil to record the second highest number of cases in the world. Means India suppressed Brazil. Brazil means it has suppressed the Brazil to record the second highest number of cases. Means it was in the second place. Means it has the highest number of cases in the world. Since August, India has been reporting the highest number of cases each day. Means since August, India has been reporting the highest number of cases. Means till August, it was reporting the highest cases in the highest number of cases per day, which has been steadily increasing. Means it was increasing day by day, but even not decreasing. From over 50,000 in the last week of July to over 60,000 in the first week of August, over 70,000 in the fourth week. So from over 50,000 in the last week of July to over 60,000 in the first week of August, over 70,000 in the fourth week. Means in the last week it was 50,000, and next first week it was 60, and the fourth week it was 70,000 cases. First week of August, over 70,000 in the fourth week, before jumping to over 80,000 cases in September. Means after 70,000 it has reached to the 80,000 cases in this year September. Though the number of tests done each day has been over 1 million for the past week, the test positivity rate nationally is still high at 7.7%, indicating that testing has been ramped up. Means though the number of means they were testing every day over 1 million people for the past 1 week, the testing positively rate nationally, means it was testing almost positively, the result was almost positive. Rate nationally is still high at, means it was still high at 7.7%, indicating that testing has been ramped up. Means the testing has been ramped up, means it was decreased. Though the testing done each day by many states has been growing, nearly 50,000 of them are rapid antigen of only about 50 to 60% sensitively. Means though the testing has been taking in every state every day, the number of cases were not even decreasing. So because of some reasons, means not some reasons, almost day by day the cases were increasing. It was almost about 50 to 60%. Unfortunately, with no repeat testing of negative cases and only a small percentage of people with symptoms but negative results being validated with a RT-PCR, may of the infected are not being diagnosed. Means unfortunately with no repeat testing uh, means there were no there were less negative uh, means less negative cases than positive. Even they means there were a small symptoms of virus, so even though it is a small symptom they were taking them. The results are validated with a RT-PCR. Many of the infected are not being diagnosed. Means many of the people who were infected were not being diagnosed. The ICMR's latest advisor provides for testing on demand to ensure higher levels of testing. Means the ICMR's latest advisor provides means the ICMR's latest advisors has provided for testing on demand to ensure higher level of testing. Means they are providing means the advisors are providing for testing on demand. Means they were demanding to test in a to ensure high levels of testing. Means they should test more cases per day. While ramping up tests is needed, testing on demand by anyone might not be the correct approach to adopt. Means while ramping up tests means while doing the tests is needed. Doing the tests is needed. Testing on demand by anyone might not be the correct approach. Means doing the tests by other demand is means if anyone demanded us, we should not do anything like they demand. Means we should do our work. Means they should test the cases. Means they should take more tests per day. Means they should not take the tests by the demand of someone like that. The ICMR is theoretically making India's 1.3 billion people eligible for the test. Means the ICMR is it was theoretically making India's 1.3 billion people eligible for a test. Means 1.3 people for eligible for the test. Even when there is no capacity to undertake this, even though there is no capacity of taking this, they are trying to do. While it is a welcome measure, especially in the private sector, the general fear about infection might result in diverting some of the government's stretched health resources if it has to test those who do not, on the face of it, require a test. Means while it was it has welcome, it is a welcome measure, especially in a private sector. Means it should be in a private sector. The general fear about infection might result. Means if the general fear about this infection might result in diverting some of the government stretch. Means because of this fear, it may also divert some of the government stretch. Means some of the government rules. While states not validating the negative results from the rapid antigens test with RT-PCR, non-directed tests on demand might help more in increasing the number of tests done each day. Means if we demand, they will increase the number of tests per day. The focus must remain on diagnosing the most probable cases listened out by the ICMR. Means the probable cases were demanded by the ICMR. Those with symptoms are at a high risk, means those were with the symptoms are they were doing with a high risk. There is also a possibility of an over reliance on antecedent testing to cope with the growing demand of testing, means the demand of the testing was increasing day by day, so there is an possibility of an over reliance, means they may increase the test day by day. A more nuanced approach on testing guidelines is therefore necessary. So it was necessary, means they should compulsorily do it, means it was guidelines in therefore means the guidelines were necessary, right? So we'll discuss some of the meanings from today's topic. Fervoy means passion or zeal. Example, the country was swept by patriotic fervour. Dire means terrible or dreadful. The people are in a dire need of help, means they are in a dreadful need of help. Negotiating means bring about by discussion or work out or to settle something. Example, the government has refused to negotiate with the strikes. Conduce means a general arrangement or concord. The conduces amongst economies is that interest rates will be held at 1%. Contaminate, action of keeping something harmful under control. Example, the company's hazardous waste contaminate plan is being revealed. Exhibiting is show or to relieve something. Example, he exhibited self-control considering his rudeness. Procurement means action of obtaining something. Like example, the government gave a substantial budget for the procurement of military supplies, means it has given a means it has given a special budget for the procurement of the military supplies. Notched means a very slight difference in appearance or meaning or sound. Example, he gives a beautifully nuanced performance in a tricky role. Ramp up means a large increase in activity or to boost. They saw a ramp up in orders, means they saw increasing order in increasing order. Validated means proved the validity or occurrence or endorse. So these are today's meanings and this is today's topic. Thank you.